Hi there. Today we're going to look at how to create announcements and assignments. Any announcements will be posted in the stream. Also, if you are allowing students to create their own posts, their posts will also be listed in the stream. To do so, you're going to come down here to the right-hand corner to the little plus sign, and you can create an announcement. New announcement. And you can add things to the announcement from your Google Drive, from YouTube, an attachment from your computer, or a hyperlink. Another nice thing is that you can share that announcement with all your students, or if it's specific to just certain ones, you can select them. The next thing is you can post that announcement right away, or if you click on this little down arrow, you can save it as a draft or schedule it for a future date. If you want to schedule it for another date, you just select the date and time you want it to be visible to students. If you want to save it as a draft, what will happen is it is saved up here at the top. Students are unable to see it until you actually post it. So if this is something you want to continue working on, you could save it as a draft, and when you're ready, post it or schedule the date and time when you would like it posted. One other thing you see under the plus sign is reuse post. The reuse post option allows you to select any of your other classes and reuse a post that you've used in that class. So if I went to this one and I wanted to reuse my field trip announcement, I would click reuse, and I can also decide, do I want new copies of any attachments I had or not. So that is all under the Stream tab. Classwork tab is where you're going to assign your assignments and discussions. To do so, you're going to go to Create, and you're going to click Assignment. You would put the title of your assignment, so I'm going to do a Lies in Slides introduction. I do. And then you can choose, if you teach multiple classes, which classes you would like that assignment to go to. So you would not have to go into several different sections of a class to assign the same work. I'm going to assign it to just this one. Again, you have the choice of all students or just certain students, a great way to differentiate your lessons. You can add instructions if you would like. Again, you can attach something from your computer, attach anything from your Google Drive, a video from YouTube, or a hyperlink to another site. If you select a due date, it will be placed on the classroom calendar, visible by the students. You do not have to put a due date if you don't want to. If there is a due date and a student submits assignments after that due date, it will alert you that it was late. If you are going to grade it, you can go ahead and put the points in or ungrade it. The next thing is topics. Topics are a great way to organize all your assignments. To do so, you're going to click here and you're going to say Create Topic. So my first topic may be Language Arts. So now I have my topic and the title of the assignment. I'm going to now go to my Google Drive and attach the template. So here's the template I already created in my drive. I'm going to click Add. So here it is. The nice thing is once you assign anything, it will automatically attach the student's name to the assignment. This is nice because students will not have to download, rename, and then re-upload to turn it in. Now, if you are assigning something from your Google Drive, you have three options. The first option is Students Can View File. That is a read-only file. The next option, Students Can Edit File. That means every student that receives this assignment can edit the same Google document or slideshow or spreadsheet. Right now this is a slideshow, so if I were to choose students can edit file, everyone would have editing rights to that same document. If you click make a copy for each student will get their own copy of the slideshow. Again, anything assigned from your Google Drive will automatically be renamed with the student's name. One thing that is nice about Google Slides is if you want, you can set up a template that has your class student names on each slide, or for older students, they can go in and put their own on. And that way, if you assign it as everyone can edit, students will be able to go edit their particular slide and still have the ability to see other students' slides and leave comments. So I'm ready to assign this, and I'm going to say students can edit file, so everyone's going to be able to edit that same file. No due date, all students, and just like announcements, you have the choice to assign it right away, to schedule it, or save it as a draft. If you assign it right away, they're going to see it in real time. Again, scheduling it for a future date if you know exactly when you want it to go out, and saving it as a draft will again just save it up here under Language Arts in draft form. Students again will not be able to see that until you assign it. So I'm going to go and I'm going to edit that, and this time I'm going to assign it. Now that it has been assigned, all the students can see it. Under this classwork tab, you'll see that my topic, Language Arts, has shown up. Anything that I add the topic of Language Arts to will collect here. I can also create more topics. So let's say I want a math topic, a social studies topic, and so on. You can move these topics and you can move the assignments within the topics. So for Language Arts, if I wanted to rename it or delete it, I could do that. I can move it down. So now the math one is on top. Same with social studies or any of them. I can move it up. I can change the order in which students will see it. So now I have one under social studies, one under language arts. Once I have multiple under each of these topics, I can move these assignments up or down within that topic in the order I would like students to see them. Last, you can use a reuse post, just as in announcements. So if you have an assignment or a discussion question that you've used in a previous class, you can use reuse post, find the class, select the assignment, and decide if you would like to create new copies of all the attachments, and then click reuse. So assignments and announcements have pretty much the same options. However, under the Stream tab, everything will show. So every announcement, every question, it just keeps collecting in the stream. However, if you go to classwork, that's where all the assignments are going to be posted and organized under topics. Announcements are only posted in the stream. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.